Your mechanic dreads seeing these cars pull into the shop. Why? Because they almost never break. Today we're counting down 8 cheap American cars from 2009 to 2012 that run for decades with zero major repairs. Number 1 will make you rush to buy one this week. Let's start with number 8. Number 8. 2011 Ford Fusion. Let's kick things off with the 2011 Ford Fusion, a car that quietly became one of the most bulletproof sedans Ford ever built. You can find clean examples today for under $4,000, and that's exactly why mechanics secretly hate seeing them roll in. There's just not much to fix. The heart of this reliability story is the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. It's simple, naturally aspirated, and shares its DNA with engines used in Mazda vehicles, which are famous for running past 200,000 miles without complaint. No turbochargers to fail. No overly complicated direct injection systems clogging up over time. Just straightforward, dependable power. Owners consistently report smooth transmissions, minimal electrical gremlins, and interiors that hold up far better than you'd expect for a budget-friendly used car. Even the V6 option, when properly maintained, is known for going the distance with just oil changes and basic upkeep. Here's the part mechanics don't advertise. Routine maintenance on this car is shockingly cheap. Brake jobs, spark plugs, and fluid changes cost a fraction of what you'd pay on a European import. There's no fancy diagnostic software needed, no proprietary parts monopoly driving up prices. Just an engine and transmission combo that was engineered to last. If you're looking for a first car, a commuter vehicle, or something to hand down to your kid without worrying about surprise repair bills, the 2011 Fusion deserves serious consideration. But as reliable as this sedan is, it's not even close to the most bulletproof car on this list. Number 7. 2010 Chevrolet Impala. Coming in at number 7 is the 2010 Chevrolet Impala, a full-size sedan that taxi companies and police fleets trusted for a reason. When an entire industry built on minimizing downtime chooses a car that tells you everything about its durability. Under the hood sits the legendary 3.5-liter or 3.9-liter V6, engines with a well-earned reputation for surviving well past 200,000 miles with nothing more than oil changes and basic tune-ups. These weren't experimental engines chasing fuel economy trends. They were tried, tested, and refined workhorses. What makes the Impala special is how forgiving it is of neglect. Miss an oil change here and there? It shrugs it off. Sit in extreme heat or cold for years. It still starts right up. This is a car built for real-world abuse, not showroom perfection. And that's exactly the kind of vehicle that frustrates mechanics looking for repeat business. Parts availability is another huge advantage. Because millions of these were produced and used in fleets across the country, replacement parts are everywhere and incredibly cheap. You won't be waiting weeks for a dealership-only component or paying import prices for a simple alternator. Interior comfort was also better than expected for the price point, with a spacious cabin that made it a favorite for families needing dependable transportation without a hefty price tag. Today, you can often find one for under $3,000 with life left in it. But if you thought fleet-tested reliability was impressive, wait until you hear about number 6. This one comes from a brand most people don't associate with bulletproof engineering, and that's exactly why it's so underrated. Number 6. 2012 Buick Verano. Number 6 might catch you off guard. The 2012 Buick Verano. Buick isn't the first name people think of for indestructible cars, but this compact luxury sedan quietly built a reputation among owners for going the distance with barely any mechanical drama. The Verano was built on General Motors' Delta platform, shared with the Chevrolet Cruze, but wrapped in a quieter, more refined package. Under the hood, the 2.4-liter Ecotec four-cylinder engine proved to be remarkably solid, especially in naturally aspirated form. It avoided many of the turbocharger complications that plague other small luxury cars, meaning fewer expensive surprises down the road. Owners frequently praise how quiet and isolated the cabin feels, almost like driving something twice its price. But beyond comfort, what matters here is longevity. Well-maintained Veranos are routinely reported crossing 150,000 miles with nothing beyond scheduled maintenance, brake pads, and tires. This is a car that offers near-luxury features, heated seats, a refined ride, and a genuinely upscale interior, without the luxury brand repair bills. That combination makes it a favorite among budget-conscious buyers who still want comfort without gambling on reliability. Because Buick has an older, more conservative customer base, many of these cars were driven gently and maintained meticulously, meaning used examples today are often in far better shape than their odometer suggests. Prices remain incredibly low for what you're getting, often under $5,000 for a well-kept unit. Number 5 is coming up next, and it's a compact car so common on American roads that you've probably ridden in one without even realizing how reliable it actually is. Number 5. 2009 Ford Focus. At number 5, we have the 2009 Ford Focus, a car that proves reliability doesn't require a big engine or a big price tag. This compact sedan and hatchback became a staple for budget-conscious drivers, and for good reason. It just keeps running. The 2.0-liter Duratec four-cylinder engine powering this generation of Focus is refreshingly simple. No turbo, no direct injection complexity, just a proven design that mechanics have understood inside and out for years. That familiarity means repairs, when they're even needed, are quick and inexpensive rather than mysterious and costly. Owners often highlight how forgiving this car is toward deferred maintenance, a trait shared by many vehicles on this list. It's not uncommon to find examples surpassing 180,000 miles with nothing more than standard oil changes, brake work, and tire replacements. The manual transmission versions, in particular, developed a cult following for being nearly unkillable when properly cared for. Fuel efficiency was another major selling point, especially as gas prices fluctuated during this era, making the Focus a smart daily driver choice for students, new drivers, and anyone commuting long distances on a budget. Because so many Focus models were produced during this generation, parts remained cheap and universally available at any auto parts store, no dealership visit required. This accessibility keeps ownership costs remarkably low compared to import compacts of the same era. You can still find clean 2009 Focus models today for under $3,000, making it one of the best value picks on this entire list. Number 4. 2010 Chevrolet Malibu. At number 4, the 2010 Chevrolet Malibu earns its spot as one of the most dependable mid-size sedans of its generation. This was the car that convinced a lot of skeptics that American mid-size sedans could genuinely compete with anything from overseas manufacturers. The standout here is the 2.4-liter Ecotec four-cylinder engine, a unit that became famous for effortlessly crossing 200,000 miles with basic maintenance alone. It wasn't flashy, it wasn't turbocharged, but it was engineered with a focus on longevity rather than chasing horsepower numbers. Even the optional 3.6-liter V6 developed a strong reputation for smooth, trouble-free performance. What really sets the Malibu apart is how balanced it feels as a daily driver. The suspension was tuned for comfort without sacrificing durability, meaning the components underneath don't wear out prematurely like some softer riding competitors. Owners frequently report minimal suspension work needed even well into six-figure mileage. The transmission is another quiet hero in this story. Unlike some rivals that developed reputations for costly transmission failures, the Malibu's automatic transmission from this era is widely regarded as one of the more dependable units GM ever produced, especially when fluid changes were kept on schedule. Interior quality also improved significantly during this generation, meaning you're not sacrificing comfort for reliability. It's a genuinely pleasant car to spend time in, which explains why so many owners kept theirs running well past 200,000 miles instead of trading it in. Today, a well-maintained 2010 Malibu can often be found for around $4,000, an incredible value for a car engineered to outlast its price tag. Number 3 is where things get really interesting, because this next car might be the most underrated engine on this entire list. Number 3. 2011 Ford Taurus. Coming in at number 3, the 2011 Ford Taurus proves that full-size American sedans can be genuinely bulletproof when engineered right. This generation marked a serious step up in build quality, and the reliability numbers reflect that transformation. The base engine, a 3.5-liter Duratec V6, is the star of this story. It's a naturally aspirated, non-turbo unit that consistently earns praise for crossing well past 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine oil changes and standard upkeep. This engine avoids the complexity of forced induction entirely, which means fewer components that can fail and far cheaper repairs when something eventually does need attention. The 6-speed automatic transmission paired with this engine also developed a strong reputation for smoothness and durability, a notable improvement over some of Ford's earlier transmission troubles from previous decades. Owners frequently report shifting quality staying consistent even after a decade of daily use. Beyond the mechanicals, the Taurus offered a genuinely comfortable, spacious cabin that made it a favorite for families and long-distance commuters alike. This is a car built to be lived in, not just driven, and that focus on comfort didn't come at the expense of dependability. Because full-size sedans like this were often driven by more conservative owners who prioritized maintenance schedules, used examples on the market today are frequently in better mechanical condition than their mileage might suggest. You can regularly find a clean 2011 Taurus for around $5,000, an incredible amount of durable American engineering for the money. Number 2 is coming up next, and it might just be the single most underappreciated sedan of this entire era. Number 2, 2012 Dodge Avenger. At number 2, the 2012 Dodge Avenger might be the most overlooked reliable sedan on this entire list. Overshadowed by flashier competitors, this midsize car quietly built a loyal following among owners who valued substance over style. The available 2.4-liter World engine, developed jointly with international partners, proved to be a genuinely dependable unit when properly maintained. It's a simple, naturally aspirated design without unnecessary complexity, which means fewer failure points and cheaper repairs across the board. Owners of this engine consistently report smooth operation well beyond 150,000 miles. For those who opted for the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6, the reliability story gets even better. This engine, introduced during this generation, quickly earned a stellar reputation across the entire Chrysler lineup for its refinement and long-term durability, becoming one of the most trusted V6 engines produced in America during this era. The Avenger also benefited from straightforward mechanical design throughout the rest of the car. Suspension components were built with durability in mind, and electrical systems, while sometimes criticized for feeling basic, were far less prone to the mysterious glitches that plague more technologically complex vehicles. Because the Avenger never carried strong resale hype, prices remain shockingly low today. It's entirely possible to find a clean, well-maintained example for around $3,000, making it one of the best hidden value picks on this entire list. If you thought this was impressive, wait until you see number 1, because this final car might be the single most bulletproof American sedan built during this entire 4-year window. Number 1, 2011 Chevrolet Cruze. And finally, number 1, the 2011 Chevrolet Cruze, the car that might just be the most surprisingly bulletproof American vehicle on this entire list. This compact sedan represented a genuine leap forward for General Motors, and the long-term reliability data backs that up completely. At the heart of this car is the 1.8-liter Ecotec 4-cylinder engine, a naturally aspirated unit prized for its simplicity and mechanical honesty. While later turbocharged Cruze models developed some complications, this earlier naturally aspirated version remains a favorite among mechanics and owners alike for going the distance with minimal intervention. What truly sets the Cruze apart is its blend of fuel efficiency and durability, something rarely achieved together in this segment. Owners routinely report crossing 170,000 miles with nothing more than oil changes, brake pads, and standard tune-ups, an impressive feat for a first-generation redesign. The interior, for its era, felt genuinely upscale, with tight panel gaps and solid switchgear that held up remarkably well over time. Another sign of the engineering care that went into this generation. Because so many Cruze models were sold across the country, parts remain incredibly cheap and widely available, keeping ownership costs low for years. This accessibility, combined with genuine mechanical reliability, is exactly why this car sits at number 1. Today, you can find a clean 2011 Cruze for around $3,000, an unbeatable combination of efficiency, comfort, and bulletproof engineering. There you have it, 8 American cars mechanics secretly dread seeing. Which one surprised you most? Drop it in the comments, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.